Is your OSN Play application not working currently? Well, there might be some factors that are affecting your application. First being your internet connection. You need to make sure that your device is connected to a network that is actually working. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that works. After that, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, if there are any other kinds of problem, you might want to navigate yourself to the OSN TV application. Tap and hold on to the OSN Plus app and tap on App Info. Go to your storage and cache, and here you want to clear your cache and also your storage. By doing so, the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any issues. However, if you do face any kinds of problems still, you might want to restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.